This $200,000 coupe weighs as much as a hippopotamus and will still spin all 4 tires in second gear. That should not be possible. But here's the thing. Mercedes took a car that already weighs 4,800 pounds, added a battery, added an electric motor, made it even heavier, and somehow made it faster than almost everything on the road. This is a Grand Tourer, a luxury coupe, the kind of car you'd take from Monaco to Milan without thinking twice, and then you hit the throttle. The electric motor at the rear axle wakes up instantly. 201 horsepower from 0 revs, no turbo lag, no hesitation, just immediate shove. Then the handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 joins in, and physics stops making sense. Most coupes this heavy feel like you're pushing a building. They're fast in a straight line but lack that instant response. This one? It launches like something half its weight. Here's where it gets ridiculous. 805 horsepower, 1,047 pound-feet of torque. That's more torque than a Lamborghini Aventador. More torque than a Ferrari 812 Superfast. More torque than supercars that weigh 1,000 pounds less. 0 to 60 in 2.9 seconds. Think about that. A nearly 5,000-pound coupe that accelerates faster than a Porsche 911 Turbo. Faster than a McLaren 570. Faster than cars that cost twice as much and have half the seats. You open the door. Slide into seats with diamond quilting and contrast stitching. The cabin feels like a private jet. 11.9-inch screen. Burmester sound system. Everything wrapped in Nappa leather. But here's the part that makes absolutely no sense. Despite all-wheel drive, despite 4,800 pounds pressing down on 4 Michelin Pilot sport tires, despite 2.5-degree rear axle steering trying to keep you pointed straight, this thing will still spin all 4 wheels in second gear if the pavement is even slightly damp. The hybrid system Mercedes built for this car came straight from Formula One technology. The battery is designed for rapid charging and discharging, not for range, not for efficiency, for violence. You get maybe 10 seconds of full electric boost before it tapers off, but those 10 seconds feel like getting rear-ended by a freight train. The V8 makes 603 horsepower on its own. That's already supercar territory. But the electric motor adds another 201 instantly. No waiting for turbos to spool, no delay, just instant, relentless thrust that doesn't stop until you're doing illegal speeds. And if all-wheel drive feels too civilized, there's a drift mode. It decouples the front axle, sends all 805 horses to just the rear tires. Your tire budget has been warned. The steering is hydraulic. 2.5 degrees of rear steering makes this nearly 200-inch long coupe rotate like something a foot shorter. Carbon ceramic brakes, 16.5-inch rotors up front, bronze 6-piston calipers. They need to be that big because stopping 4,800 pounds moving at supercar speeds takes serious hardware. The suspension uses hydraulic anti-roll control. No conventional anti-roll bars, just hydropneumatic links between the corners that keep the body flat through corners this heavy car has no business taking at speed. And here's the part that breaks my brain. All of this. The Formula One battery tech, the 805 horsepower, the drift mode, the performance that embarrasses cars twice the price. Starting at $196,000. That's less than a base Porsche 911 Turbo S. Less than most Aston Martins. Less than anything else this fast. A 4,800-pound coupe that moves like it weighs half that. Makes no sense. Want one anyway. Next time, we're looking at an SUV that somehow does 0 to 60 faster than this. You'll want to see it. Drop a comment if you'd actually daily drive this GT63. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.